But suppose you want to manufacture in China and sell in India, it cannot be a good proposition for India. Our request to him is, come to India and manufacture here. All Indian manufacturer, automobile spare parts, everything is available. It can be more easy for him to make here in India and sell in India. He will get good profits from that and good economics is there. I will request him to come to India and start manufacturing here.
Tesla. Elon Musk is in the news today. He's of course bought out Twitter. And I know that there have been conversations on with the Indian government, but it's not just Elon Musk. There is a concern on high duties in the context of demand visibility, especially when it comes to new technologies like electric vehicles, etc. Would it make sense to bring down duties to let there be a market, a more vibrant market, and then let people come in and localize and manufacture in India?
It is a very easy alternative. If the Elon Musk is ready to manufacture a textile in India, there is no problem. We have got all competency, the vendors are available. We have got all type of technology. And because of that, he can reduce the cost. But our request to him is that you come to India, start manufacturing here. India is a huge market. The export availability, everything, ports are available. They can make their export from India. And he is welcome. He is welcome in India. We don't have any problem. But suppose you want to manufacture in China and sell in India, it cannot be a good proposition for India. Our request to him is, come to India and manufacture here. We will support him.
All right, we will. We hope that message is transported to Elon Musk via Twitter. But Mr. Gadkari,
but one thing I will tell you, the way in which just I given answer in Parliament, that how much increase in e-vehicle, particularly in one section in electric buses, there is an increase in 1300%. So the huge demand for e-vehicle is now increased. And now all Indian companies under all good brands are making good electric cars, electric SUVs. I just take the trial of all the SUVs from Mercedes, from BMW, from Toyota, from Hyundai. It's real, they are doing excellent job. My suggestion is, now there is a huge potential for all e-vehicles. So my suggestion to Elon Musk is that in India he will get good market. And it's really Indian market is very huge. So it is a win-win situation for both, and it can be all vendors which they are available in China. At the same time, all particular quality wise, all Indian manufacturer, automobile spare parts, everything is available. It can be more easy for him to make here in India and sell in India. He will get good profits from that and good economics is there. I will request him to come to India and start manufacturing here.